What's up? We're back at it again. Another day, bright and early. It's 6:30. Just going to hit some arms this morning, and we got our pre-workout little meal. This is what I crave some days. It's protein, peanut butter, oatmeal, a little bit of that Splenda. Get you going in the morning. So, see you at the gym in a sec. Hey, what's up? How you guys doing? Doing good? What's up? I know. You guys getting warmed up or what? Oh shoot, you guys lifting heavy. Oh. I'll be lifting the pink weights today, man. Yeah, now you're always on time and I'm always late.
Yep.
Shoot.
Well, I finally locked in. I got everything all set up.
Isolate it. Good thing you're not wearing a medium.
Dude, it's 3X.
And then do 10 together, rep 10. Keep them straight out, pull them. One. Can you bring those elbows out? 2. 3, there you go. That's all it is. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower, fish.
Yeah.
If I don't eat the protein earlier in the day.
Are you hungry right now or?
Always.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. Yeah. Me neither, none of us. Nice, there you go.
Come on.
Yesterday I had the day split in 2 SIM cards, and it would only let me like copy 3 files at a time. There's 130, and I'm just like, no, it's a Mac.
No scars?
Yeah, on the little on the inside. Done already? Yeah. Dude, does he go in doubles? I swear. Every one counts for 2.
No, I actually did more.
I'm on the Gerber diet, baby food only. Crush it. Nice.
Oh, that was hard. I figured you did.
I don't know if I can go up to 100, but we'll see. See how it feels. This is my good arm, but it's 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm not used to you wearing hats so much.
Too. I was just lazy, didn't want to do my hair. Remember they used to have this machine over at Camaraderie? Yeah.
We love this one.
Those aren't too bad. Slow them down a little bit. All right, let's keep those elbows in tight. Let's go. Hell's Gate Gym's posing room. We're just working on some transitions and perfecting poses. This is my buddy Trevin. Just getting ready for a local show here in Utah. So we're just kind of refining everything, seeing what we need to do to make all of his poses look a little bit better and add some final touches. So today it's been one heck of a day. I got to take my 1965 Mercury Marauder to the Autorama, but I had 2 flat tires, so I had to get those fixed real quick at Big O Tires, and it's raining, so I don't want to wash it, but I need to clean it before the show, so we'll see how that goes. But we got to get her ready and take her down. Another adventure in the car. Probably half my day is spent in my car. The other half is spent at the gym. And most of my day is spent eating. So we got the grape nuts, cup of grape nuts, 100 grams complex carbs with some almond milk. And I just had a little protein bar. Is that even a protein bar?
That's a suspicious protein bar.
Yeah, there's like 2 grams of protein in it, so I guess it's just a bar. But we're headed to the gym to give somebody a tour, see how that goes. So, we're going to Walmart. Why? We need to get some more food. Walmart and Costco are my best friends. Well, I feel like they are. They probably don't feel the same way about me.
Well, they love you because you go every day.
True. I keep them in business.
Yeah.
My 6,800 calorie diet keeps Walmart afloat. I'm sure they would be broke without me.
Cool.
Yeah, Costco, they even gave me my own card with a picture on it. The sun will come out tomorrow. Look.
All the stuff that I will forget to order because it's on the shelf.
Yeah.
So I put in 3 of the unflavored, just the collagen, and then I'm going to put in for 1 of each of the babe collagen.
See, that's the problem. The Babe collagen, I know they're flavored and they're prettier. There shouldn't be too many of those. Bikini Babe.
Not on.
Well, let's just click this. So once you click that, you
Yeah, enter.
Okay, you did. And
Yeah,
then, okay.
every single time.
All right.